All right. I don't think y'all are ready for this, but oh, and my washer's going. I'm going to show you the room. It is a disaster. So, here it is. This has been a room. Again, I'm sorry the washer's going, so it's kind of loud. This is a room I've been kind of just putting stuff in, you know, coloring stuff. The kids have some stuff up here. Well, Hunter has some stuff up there. Game-wise, I put my desk I used to use in here, some things I need to sell. And yeah, it's just a mess, and it's time to get it cleaned up to turn into another area the kids can play in. So let's just go ahead, get started. So when we bought this house, we did not hesitate to move in as quick as possible. That's actually my decision because I was just like so excited about it. So when we moved in, I did not even declutter the house that we were moving out of, getting rid of things that obviously we did not use. And there was a lot of stuff. So we just packed it up with us and, you know, put some in this bedroom because I knew that I could make money off selling a lot of it, which I totally have. I don't trash really anything or, you know, give it to the thrift store unless I try selling it beforehand. So that's what I did with a lot of this stuff. A lot of this stuff, probably 75% of this stuff was stuff that I needed to post online to sell and make some money back, which I totally did. And then the other was stuff that I was just like, it's not even worth trying to sell. And I just thrifted it to the, or gave it to the ARC thrift store, which is one of my favorite places. But anyway, yeah, I do not like living in clutter. And this was a room that was really needed working on. And I'm so glad I finally got to it. All right, y'all, I am finally finished. It didn't actually take me that long to do this, probably about, when did I start? Probably an hour and a half, so I'm excited to show you. This is just kind of how I have it so far. I always like to switch things up, so let's give you a little reveal. Doesn't it look so much freaking better? So to explain the crazy flowers on the wall, Hunter and I stamped those with a stamper thing, and as you can see, it didn't show up in some areas, so I had to go back and touch them up and obviously fix that red one right there. This was originally, when we moved in the house, we were going to turn into like a craft room. We just didn't end up doing it. I had a feeling it was meant for another purpose, and obviously this is what it was meant for. I think this is going to be perfect for this bedroom. So anyway, I have the gate to kind of block it off once the kiddos are in here. A spot right here that I need to lint roll because the black cat, of course, on a white couch, little chair is, you know, it needs to be lint rolled. But yeah, little table to touch. This is like, obviously, like I said, the adult chair. Me or Glinda is going to sit in this, my mother-in-law. Have a little spot to set our phone and like a drink. The kids have little chairs to sit in because right here, the monitor, I'm going to hook it up to my laptop so they could watch some TV. This is the only TV we have in the house for them to be able to, well, obviously it's a monitor, but this is the only little TV-ish thing we're gonna have for them to have like TV time on, because the other TV we had stopped working in the big main area, which I like the fact that they don't really have a TV going all day, because I don't think they need that. Plus, it saves us some electricity, so they can come in here on occasion and watch something. Like I said, I still need to hook up the monitor and stuff to the laptop. But I put a little mat down because this is where we're going to be changing diapers. Just something simple to where if it does get dirty, a few times a week, we put it in the washing machine and change it up. And then I have all of the kids' labeled diapers and stuff, wipes, and then a little trash can, and then some toys. Still have the shelves that I gotta figure out what to do with, but yeah, it's a pretty good sized room. I feel like for them to be able to come in and play, have a little, like I said, TV time over there, and yeah, I'm excited to finally have this room set up. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you subscribe, like, and comment to see more future speed clean videos with me. They are so much fun to film, and I'm so excited to share.